I'm sure you've heard the news. Our oceans are drowning in plastic. Forests are shrinking, and animals are disappearing. But here's the good part. You can help. Forests are disappearing and animals are vanishing, sometimes without a sound. But nature is stronger than you think. It can heal if we give it a chance. Turning off the tap, picking up trash, using a reusable bag. These tiny choices add up. Remember, the earth doesn't belong to us. We're just a part of it. So what will you do today? Share your ideas in the comments and let's inspire each other to protect our planet. One small change at a time.